Welcome to Review Central. This is LET General Education Reviewer number 3, featuring questions on science proficiency. This reviewer is intended for those who are eyeing, or are set to take either the Licensure Exam for Teachers or LET. There are 10 questions featured on this reviewer. All questions are modeled on actual questions that appeared on previous LET exams. Now let's begin. Question number 1. Physics. An object becomes positively charged if it, blank. A. Loses electrons. B. Gains protons. C. Gains electrons. D. Loses protons. The correct answer is A. Loses electrons. Because electrons have a negative charge, when they are added to an object, it becomes negatively charged. When electrons are removed from an object, it becomes positively charged. Question number 2. Physics. Which statement best explains why ice is a good refrigerant? A. It absorbs heat while melting. B. It cools by evaporation. C. It conducts heat quickly. D. It does not melt inside the refrigerator. The correct answer is A. It absorbs heat while melting. Heat energy near the ice gets absorbed into the ice, according to the second law of thermodynamics. Question number 3. Biology. What is the name of the green pigment that captures light for photosynthesis? A. Chloroplast. B. Myoglobin. C. Hemoglobin. D. Chlorophyll. The correct answer is D. Chlorophyll. The pigment molecule is called chlorophyll. In plant cells, it is found in an organelle called a chloroplast. Hemoglobin and myoglobin are pigments found in humans and animals. Question number 4. Biology. Fungi absorb the nutrients from dead organisms. In an ecosystem, what roles do they play? A. Detritivores. B. Parasites. C. Saprophytes. D. Saprozoids. The correct answer is C. Saprophytes. A saprophyte, or saprotroph, is an organism which gets its energy from dead and decaying organic matter. This may be decaying pieces of plants or animals. This means that saprophytes are heterotrophs. They are consumers in the food chain. Question number 5. Earth science. The trapping of the sun's warmth in a planet's lower atmosphere is known as blank. A. El Niño. B. Greenhouse effect. C. Ozone. D. La Niña. The correct answer is B. Greenhouse effect. The trapping of the sun's warmth in a planet's lower atmosphere, due to the greater transparency of the atmosphere to visible radiation from the sun, than to infrared radiation emitted from the planet's surface, is known as greenhouse effect. Question number 6. Carried by wind, air pollution called blank falls back to Earth, poisoning fish and destroying vegetation. A. Acid rain. B. Toxic waste. C. Radiation. D. Radioactive waste. The correct answer is A. Acid rain. Acid rain is rainfall made sufficiently acidic by atmospheric pollution that it causes environmental harm, typically to forests and lakes. The main cause is the industrial burning of coal and other fossil fuels, the waste gases from which contain sulfur and nitrogen oxides, which combine with atmospheric water to form acids. Question number 7. Genetics. Damage to DNA that is not repaired and then replicated can result in genetic disorders. This demonstrates blank. A. Regeneration. B. Duplication. C. Mutation. D. Corruption. The correct answer is C. Mutation. In biology, a mutation is an alteration in the nucleotide sequence of the genome of an organism, virus, or extrachromosomal DNA. Mutations result from errors during DNA replication, mitosis, and meiosis or other types of damage to DNA, which then may undergo error-prone repair, or cause an error during other forms of repair, or else may cause an error during replication. Question number 8. Physics. A toothpick can float on the surface of the water because of A. Friction. B. Shape. C. Minimal weight. D. Surface tension. The correct answer is C. Surface tension. The cohesive forces between liquid molecules are responsible for the phenomenon known as surface tension. The molecules at the surface do not have other like molecules on all sides of them, and consequently they cohere more strongly to those directly associated with them on the surface. This forms a surface film which makes it more difficult to move an object through the surface than to move it when it is completely submersed. Surface tension in water is usually the principle behind tricks such as being able to float a paper clip on its surface. Question number 9. Which of the following organisms is considered heterotrophic? A. Grasshopper. B. Phytoplankton. C. Grass. D. Algae. The correct answer is A. Grasshopper. Heterotrophic or heterotroph is an organism that cannot manufacture its own food and instead obtains its food and energy by taking in organic substances, usually plant or animal matter. All animals, protozoans, fungi, and most bacteria are heterotrophs. In contrast, an autotrophic or autotroph is an organism that can produce its own food using light, water, carbon dioxide, or other chemicals. Because autotrophs produce their own food, they are sometimes called producers. Examples of autotrophics are most plants, algae, cyanobacteria, seaweed, phytoplankton. All the given choices above are autotrophics with the exception of grasshopper. Question number 10. Physics. This is the final question. Which of the following is conserved when a pendulum is swinging? A. Weight. B. Energy. C. Mass. D. Momentum. The correct answer is B. Energy. In a simple pendulum with no friction, mechanical energy is conserved. Total mechanical energy is a combination of kinetic energy and gravitational potential energy. As the pendulum swings back and forth, there is a constant exchange between kinetic energy and gravitational potential energy. You have just completed LET General Education Reviewer number 3, which featured questions on science proficiency. If you wish to watch more LET General Education Reviewers on science, check out our LET Science Reviewers playlist. Check out also our other LET playlists for other reviewer topics. If you haven't done so yet, please don't forget to subscribe to Review Central, and click or press the bell button to make sure you get notified whenever we post a new reviewer or other review materials on this channel. Please like if you find this video useful, and feel free to share to anyone who may also benefit from it. We wish you all the best on your forthcoming LET, and we look forward to your future distinction as a licensed professional teacher. Mabuhay!